Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making how to make blueberry muffins. So I'm going to be using ingredients, I'll show you guys. Blueberries, sugar, milk, flour, and eggs and lemon. So I'm going to have some help behind me. So she's going to help me because I got a disability called global development delayed, so I'm be quite slow. So if I do something wrong, she'll help me, and so we're gonna start doing it, and then see you in my video. Bye bye. Okay, is it on?
Yes.
Okay, first step. Preheat the oven. That's my first step. Sorry. See.
200.
200. I think it's 280. I think it's 180.
Is it you got to push in? Is it going?
Yep, it's going.
Okay, 280, 200.
About there.
Right. You need 2 cups of flour.
Okay. 2 cups of flour.
Yep.
Oh. Okay. 2 cups. 2 cups. 2 cups. 2 cups. 1 cup.
Yes.
One. Oops. 2.
Okay. Put that aside.
Okay.
4 teaspoons of baking powder. Yes.
Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, I'm making this. Yes, I did.
1 cup of sugar.
Oh, excuse me. One what?
1 cup of sugar.
Where did I put it? Where did I put my cup?
Did you leave it in the flour?
No.
There.
Oh.
I'll sift your
Sift my flour and
Yeah.
baking powder together.
yeah. Okay, 1 cup of sugar. Be careful because it's going to go
That's why I put in all in here.
here. Because you're going to,
Oops.
yeah. See? Okay.
In here.
Yes.
Yep. Oops. Okay.
Oops, I've done. Oh, I put.
So we're going to do the wheat, aren't we?
Yes.
So 1.5 cups
Of milk.
of milk. So up here, Mum.
Yes.
I thought it was going to call P.
Hang on, show me.
Too much.
Yes, 1.5, I think. Yep. Okay, now you need 1 egg.
Like 2.
And 1/4 cup of oil.
1/4 cup. Okay, 1/4 cup. Is that this one?
No, that's half. Yes. Okay, and then just give it a whisk.
Okay. Going to grate.
What are you grating?
The lemon. Ow!
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Now empty that rind into the flour.
Okay. That's all good. This is for hands. Yeah. Oops. Done it.
Okay, now cut your lemon in half and
Squeeze it in this.
Yeah.
Ooh, squeeze. Squeeze. Cut. Squeeze your hand into it. Oh my god. Give me. Yep.
Right, give it a bit of another whiz.
And then pour it into the dry ingredients. Yep. Egg yolk. Well, I need to do a whole hole.
Oh, we didn't get something to stir it with.
Do a hole. Oh, that's a crappy hole about all that.
And now add your muffins. I mean your blueberries.
My blueberries.
Yeah.
So what we're doing? So how much?
A cup there. 3/4 of a cup.
I just my hands.
Oh, well, just put your cup inside.
About there? About there.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
All together?
Yes, and just mix it all in. Fold it all.
I've got the wrong spoon.
Yeah, we'll go get... Yeah, I'll turn it off. Oh.
We're already done this. So I'm gonna spray. Yay. Okay. So we're gonna put it in.
You know, use that big spoon.
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Just Okay, I'm gonna put. Oh, it's dropping. Get some more blueberries. Oh, I made a mess. Oh, mama. Oh well. Yay. I'll open up the oven. Oh, steamy hot. Muffins. Sideways, eh?
Yeah, like that, yeah.
So about 30 minutes?
Yep, so, yep.
So about. Excuse me, open. No. Because I think they're still, yeah, they're still wet, Mum.
Okay, maybe another 10 minutes.
Yeah. Go. I'll go 30 again.
No, not 30, 10, because you don't want...
Full? Okay. Gonna open up the oven. Okay. Oh.
Oh. Oh, okay, stop.
Get them out, take them out, take them out. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Look at that. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Bye. Turn it off.
No, leave it on.